The mystery G-Wagon has landed. Your guesses are in. Nobody got the correct guess. I'm going to show it to you. The hint was this is a more luxurious spec than you might be used to seeing on a G-Class. Here it is. By the way, I will remind everybody that the person who custom built this vehicle is no longer taking it. Doesn't matter what the reason is. I'm not even sure what it is, but it is available. You know the rules. Here it is. So, desert silver is the color. This is a very luxurious spec. It's like a champagne-y, beigey. It's a very rich metallic color, which I know a lot of people love, especially in a world of a lot of non-metallic paints now. This is a very simple but elegantly done spec. It's just the basics. The 22-inch polished cross-spoke wheels. You've got just the dark silver calipers, nothing too crazy there. That is the right choice for this car. No night packages whatsoever. Now this has the macchiato beige interior, which another smart choice for this particular vehicle, right? This is a very classy spec. It needs a classy interior. And in a moment I will show you the wood choice, which I think again was absolutely the correct choice for this vehicle. But this is just a nice, not over the top specification, didn't check a bunch of extra boxes on it, so it's for somebody that wants something a little bit different, a little bit more on the luxurious side. It's a very pretty color. It's got a very great metallic flake, which you may or may not be able to see. It's a little bit of a cloudy day here in Ohio, but I like the way it turned out. It's not the car that I would drive in the spec that I would drive, but that's okay. That doesn't mean that I have to have spec'd it this way myself. I'm not driving it ultimately, but I do think that there is a lot of appeal for a build like this because it's not the white, black, red interior, white interior like you normally see. So let's take you to the inside, and you've got the macchiato diamond stitched interior, which one of our most famous interiors. It's nice and light without being completely white. They chose the light Senwood, which is a polished, glossy, light wood trim. Again, these are just a very well put together spec, the right choices for the vibe that this car was going for. It does have the exclusive interior package plus, so you've got the Dynamica headliner, so that is a suede headliner. And other than that, it's just, right, I mean, what you see is what you get. I think a very nicely put together car, keeps the price point very, very reasonable. It still sounds absolutely amazing when you close the doors. Let's take you over to the build sheet on this one so you can see exactly what it does have. And there you go. It is the desert silver metallic with the macchiato beige and magma gray leather, the light brown Zenwood trim, and we've got the cross-spoke wheels, the exclusive interior package plus, and a first aid kit. $214,985, and that's all she wrote. So let me know what you think. Is this spec too luxurious? Is it extra classy and you love it? I think that this is a great change up from what you normally see out there in the G-Wagon land, right? We've had some crazy colors this year, like bright orange. This is a much different vibe, but it's a good vibe. This is country club old money vibe right here, right? So if you are into this and you like it and you got a G63 G-Wagon that you want to trade us, come on, let's do business. We'd love to welcome a new person into the family, get you into the G-Wagon club. And even if this isn't your ideal build, you could always buy that one and then trade it in for a 2027. Get one to drive while your custom build one is in the factory, right? There's a lot of different ways to do it. But let me know, would you drive it? Are you into it? Yay or nay?